Hi. How is everyone? Did you notice something this week? I missed weigh-in Wednesday, didn't I? I did. Well, we're gonna let's gather all the information up on Friday. How's that? So, let me tell you, my weigh-in Wednesday, let's talk about why I haven't been on. There's always something going on, I am telling you. So I have had vertigo. I hate getting it. I have gotten it for a while now over the years, and it doesn't come often enough for me to take a daily medication. I don't feel like I need to take daily pills for something that only happens maybe once, twice, 3 times a year, right? I don't want to take it daily. So, but a lot of my family members, they're on daily medications, right? For the same thing. Everybody gets it. It's all an inner ear. The last week I have had the worst high pitch, like hum in my ear, like tendonitis, I don't know, something like that. So I have been struggling, but I have not been struggling on my weight loss, I should say. So I went down, everyone, down, down, down. I am so excited. I surpassed my little goal I set for myself, right? So 20.8 pounds down. So that is like super amazing. I'm super excited. Yay, yeah, 20 pounds down, 20 pounds down. So I'm happy with that. Completely over the moon. However, I have not had fast food for over a month now. And I was queen of the fast foods. I was queen of McDonald's. I was top dog at Lion's Choice. Let me tell you, like, they're missing me. They're all going to be texting me soon. Amazon texts me all the time. Hey, where are you? What's going on? Why aren't you purchasing? So they're going to be, the fast food joints are going to be doing the same thing, right? They're losing money because I'm not there. So let me tell you what I did yesterday. Again, I've been having the vertigo, so I have not felt like cooking. I have not felt like, but of course I still feel like eating, let me tell you. And with the vertigo, I always think if I get something sugary and if I get something carbonated, it's going to make me feel better. It's going to make it all go away. So I got my little ice creams back. So I've been eating those. I got some, have you guys ever had the animal cracker cookies? They come in like a little bear. I think you get like 16 of those cookies for 4 points. Or it's 16 of those cookies for 5 points, something like that. I think it's either 4 or 5, but it's not here or there. 1 point's 1 point, but I've been eating those, and they have chocolate. The chocolate is the exact same amount of points as the regular vanilla ones. So what do I get? I get the chocolate ones. So I've been eating those. I've been drinking skim milk more, which I know with ear things you're not supposed to, but for some crazy reason, I am craving milk. Just regular white skim milk. So I've been drinking that, and that is several points for a cup of skim milk. And then let's get back to yesterday. So yesterday, what do? I'm like, you know what? I'm hungry because I did not eat almost all day yesterday until on my way home, and I got out of work at 7 o'clock. That's the time I've been getting off. I've been going to work. I only missed one day of work, which was on Tuesday. They wanted me to drive 45 minutes away from where I live, and I'm like, I can't do it. So I've been dizzy, but not enough I drove to work, which is literally 1 mile from my house. So I would go really slow, and I was fine. And I'm good as long as I can focus. Like if I'm focusing on this phone that I'm using to do my video, if I focus straight ahead, I'm good. But if I move off the slightest path, then that's when everything starts going like this. So I'm like, I don't feel like cooking. So I went to Lion's Choice. I got a number one with Swiss cheese, no seasoning. I got French fries. I did eat a few. Buddy got a lot of the fries, but I ate a few of them. And I got a Diet Coke. So that was my dinner. I was still good with points actually because I had 20 points to spare. And the sandwich alone was only, I think it was 8 points, 7 points or 8 points. And then the barbecue sauce that I put on was another 2 points. So, and then the French fries, well, I didn't eat all the French fries, so I didn't count those, sorry. I didn't. I only had maybe like a little handful of French fries. Buddy had the rest of them. So that's what I did last night. So I'm telling you, the scale might go right back up on Wednesday. I don't know. I hope not, but it might. But I'll be prepared because, you know, it just really stinks having this vertigo. And it really stinks because I couldn't even do a video. I tried doing a video 2-3 times. I tried one on Wednesday morning. I tried one on Tuesday. Tuesday was just out of the question for everything. I sat in my recliner and was just like staring straight ahead, trying not to even blink. I was like a robot. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I tried again. And I can't, it was hard for me to like just keep looking straight ahead of myself like this. Into this camera. It was making me feel all weird. So here I am. It is Friday night. It is 7:21 in the evening. I am finally getting a video out. I did the grocery haul. You guys seen that earlier in the week. So I have not done anything with that food. I've had salads. I've had a couple of salads. And today for lunch when I came home, I had done that Southwest mix last week. So I froze some of that. So I had taken that out for breakfast. Oh my God, it was so good, y'all. So I had scrambled eggs, right? And I don't put milk, I don't put water, I don't put anything in it. I just scramble up my eggs, right? So those were 0 points. That Southwest mix that I make that has shredded chicken, it has red peppers, it has black beans, corn, thyme, oregano, cumin, chili powder. It has all those spices in it, that Southwest spicy mix, right? I added that in with my eggs and I did 1/8 of a cup of cheese, which was 2 points. So that whole entire scramble bowl was 2 points and it was amazing. I'm gonna have to do that again. I'm gonna have to make some more Southwest mix because I'm out of it. I love that stuff. Today, I took half of that this morning with my eggs and made the scramble. And then for lunch when I came home, I heated the other half up and then I put it in lettuce with another 1/8 of a cup of cheese, some 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And it's what I had for my lunch. That was lunch. So I haven't had anything. Oh, and I had cookies. I had cookies and I had milk after that. So that was my lunch and I haven't had anything until now. I gotta go in and start preparing something for dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I might just take and boil a chicken breast and shred that up, add a little mayonnaise, add a little onion, make a little like chicken salad, some grapes, and have some crackers. I have also gotten a favorite product. My favorite product is the Triscuit crackers. The regular original Triscuit reduced fat is 6 crackers for 2 points. So that's a lot of crackers for 2 points. And I love the taste of them, especially with the chicken salad. It's amazing, right? Well, I think so anyway. So hopefully I can come up with some more recipes. I am looking out there. Skinny Girl keeps sending me some things. So I'm gonna try to see if I can come up with some new ideas and maybe try to get some recipes going that I can make to see how they're doing. Because I'm kind of getting sick of eating the same thing over and over and over again. So I gotta spice it up a little bit. This weekend is my birthday dinner with my family. So we are all gonna go out for dinner. There's probably, I don't know, 14 of us. we're going to the old spaghetti factory. So I got to save up points for that. I need to use my weeklies for that. So that is what we're doing. My birthday is Monday. Miss Sandy, do you remember that? Sandy always sings happy birthday to me every birthday. Thank you, Sandy. I love it so much. She is awesome and amazing with that. So Sunday is going to be, I'm not even going to worry about it. So I'm going to eat what I want. I'm going to enjoy my day. And I am just going to start over on Monday with going back to eating the way I'm supposed to. So I'm going to tell you, it is going to be carb heaven on Sunday, which is okay. One day, right? One day. So that is what is going on in Life Over 55 with Kim. And let me tell you, the more over 55 I'm coming, it's like things are happening to me. So I have the vertigo. Basically, I am stiff and sore. Like my muscles are stiff. And I can't do anything about that. Like I can't even do my chair aeroba or chair yoga. It's been a week because when I can't move, I can't put my hands over my head. It was hard to curl in my hair because this morning I was like, ooh. Let me tell you, it's a cheap drunk. And I don't like drinking. That's why I don't drink, because I don't like that feeling. That feeling reminds me of vertigo, and I don't like vertigo. So, and I don't like the taste of alcohol. So I'm a pretty plain Jane type of girl. Don't drink, don't smoke. What do you do, right? That was Stray Cat Struts. Guys, remember that? Remember that song? One of my faves. So I am going to try to take some photos of my little birthday gathering on Sunday. I am excited. My mom and my cousin are coming from their little town. And then the next weekend is when I go to my mom's for 4 days. So that'll make me happy too. I can't wait to be able to go hang out with her, relax. Buddy loves it because he can just run and run and run and run and run. They have tons of acres, so he can run all over the place. So that is good with Buddy too. I'm gonna try to do another video hopefully tomorrow night when I get home. I'm hoping. Sorry, my nose itch. It's like itchy. It's getting ready to storm here. It's like I keep getting these notices that bad weather is headed our way. So I don't know what that's going to be about tonight or tomorrow, but it's on its way. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. My name is Kim. This is Life Over 55 with Kim. Thank you for joining. And if you're watching this, thank you for staying through to the end of my video. And I hope everybody had a successful week. I hope everybody has gone down at least uno pound. And I hope you guys tune in again tomorrow to see what's going on in my world on Saturday. I am hoping to be able to, like I said, find something to make. So I don't know. Sunday is that. Monday I have to work. So I have to work, usually I'm off on Monday. I have to work on Monday. So I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. There are some blueberry muffins that I do want to make that look really yummy. And it says that they are 1 point. So I don't know if they're going to be the mini muffins. And I got to be careful with that. Like some of the stuff I can't make. 'Cause remember, it's just me. So I have to eat that, and then I get too crazy with the sweets. So I'll be having coffee and muffins for dinner, and I can't do that. So I have to behave, because what is my goal, everybody? My goal is to be down 10 pounds by July 13th, and I started that a week ago. So hopefully I'm down. At least, you know, that's coming up quicker than we think. That's only coming up in 2 weeks. Maybe I'd be down 5 pounds, because I don't know if I can pull off 10. Anyway, everybody have a great evening. I miss you guys. Thank you for hanging in there, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.